Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Services and Aspiration. So today is 6th August 2020 and firstly let's see the history of the day. So on this day means on 6th August in 1962 Jamaica got independence from Britain. The country remained under British rule for nearly 300 years, or we can say 30 decades, and on 19 July 1962 the British Parliament passed the Jamaica Independence Act, and from then the Jamaica became an independent country. Now let's see the current affairs questions. So the first question is, who inaugurated फर्स्ट गोल्फ कोर्स ऑफ मिजोरम? मिजोरम के प्रथम गोल्फ कोर्स का उद्घाटन किसने किया है? एंड the answer is Union Minister of State for Culture and Tourism Prahlad Singh Patel, and the name of the court is Thenswal Golf Resort project, and it is implemented under the Swadesh Darshan scheme of Ministry of Tourism in Mizoram. Now moving toward the second question, who has ensured the necessary immunization services during the COVID-19 pandemic? किसने कोविड महामारी के दौरान आवश्यक सेवाओं को सुनिश्चित किया है? And the answer is Electronic Vaccine Intelligence Network. It is being implemented by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare under the National Health Mission. Now the third question is, recently which Indian IT company has been selected by National Bank of Bahrain for डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन? हाल ही में नेशनल बैंक ऑफ बहरीन ने डिजिटल बदलाव के लिए किस भारतीय आईटी कंपनी का चयन किया है? एंड द आंसर इज इन्फोसिस. एंड द एनबीबी विल बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड द फाइनेंशियल लिक्विडिटी मैनेजमेंट प्लेटफॉर्म and upgrading its existing financial corporate online banking platform to the latest version of financial corporate online and mobile banking solution as well as financial engagement hub. Now moving toward the fourth question. So which railways runs the first ever Vyapar मेला एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन फॉर स्मॉल ट्रेडर्स? छोटे व्यापारियों के लिए कौन सी रेलवे पहली बार व्यापार मेला एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन चलाने जा रही है? एंड द आंसर इज नदर्न रेलवेज, एंड इट विल हेल्प स्मॉल ट्रेडर्स टू मूव देयर कार्गो इन शॉर्ट टाइम, कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव, convenient and environment friendly mode of transportation. Now the fifth question is, according to the study published in Nature Climate Change, which animal is going to extinct? Nature Climate Change में प्रकाशित अध्ययन के अनुसार कौन सा जानवर विलुप्त होने वाला है? And the answer is polar bear, and it has been listed as vulnerable to extinction by International Union for Conservation of Nature or IUCN, with climate change a key factor in their decline. Now the last question is, what does Project Soli refers to? Project Soli को क्या दर्शाता है? If you know the answers, please do tell in the comment section. And the answer is, it is a radar chip used to detect hand movement and gestures to interpret. Now let me tell you the answers of yesterday questions which I have asked from you. So the first question was, with which sport is the Thomas Cup and Uber Cup is associated? So the answer is with basketball. Thomas Cup and Uber Cups are associated. And the second question is, in which city Uttarakhand will establish snow leopard conservation center? So the answer is in Uttarkashi, and according to several researches, Uttarakhand is home to 86 leopards at present. Now let me give you the questions for today which you have to answer. So the first question is, who is known as the father of modern Indian theatre? And the second question is, Sirui Lily Festival is related to which Indian state? Guys, if you know the answers, please to tell in the comment section. Otherwise, in the next video, I'm going to tell the answers of these questions. Till then, thank you for watching our video, and if you like it, please to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't miss to hit the bell icon.